Lithium battery installation video. Power off the lead-acid batteries. Remove the battery covers and hydrogen discharge tubes. Remove the positive battery cables and insulate them. Remove the negative battery cables and insulate them. Remove the short-circuit copper bars between batteries and reinstall the battery covers. Remove the lead-acid batteries from the cabinet. Place lithium batteries onto the rack from the bottom up. Install ground cables for the batteries. Install a communications cable between the batteries. Install the terminal build-out resistor cable. Install a communications cable from the batteries to the temperature control device. Install the red positive and black negative cables for the batteries and reinstall the insulation covers. Assemble the battery activation cables. Connect one end of the activation cables to the battery. Remove the cover from the power subrack. Connect the other end of the black and blue activation cables to the RTN positive bus bar and negative 48-volt circuit breaker, respectively. Reinstall the cover for the power subrack. Switch on the battery circuit breakers and the circuit breaker connected to the activation cable. Observe the batteries for 15 minutes. If their alarm indicators are off, the batteries are running properly. Set the charge current limiting coefficient for the batteries.